Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Salman and welcome to my channel Bio की पाठशाला. Today we will discuss about the gastrointestinal mucosa. What is a gastrointestinal mucosa? Let's see. In our body, for food digestion and food absorption, alimentary canal is found in our body. The some organs of alimentary canal secrete of hormones. For example, stomach and intestine, some cells secrete hormones for control of alimentary canal movement and affected the secretions rate of digestion glands. Stomach cell and intestine cell, that is also called is gastrointestinal mucosa. Gastrointestinal mucosa secrete three types of hormones: gastrin hormones, secretin hormones, and cholecystokinin hormones, that is also known as CCK hormones. Firstly, we will discuss about the gastrin hormones. When food enter into the stomach is swelling. Stomach cell affected by the proteins of chyme, that is also known as food materials, and secrete progastrin hormones. Progastrin hormones convert into the gastrin hormones with the effect of hydrochloric acid. When the gastrin hormones discharge into the blood and circulate to the whole body, when gastrin hormones pass out to the stomach cell affected by the stomach cell and stimulate the secretion rate of hydrochloric acid and pepsin enzyme. The gastrin hormones is the main function stimulate the stomach for secretion of hydrochloric acid and pepsin enzyme. The other function of gastrin hormones stimulate the growth of gastrointestinal mucosa, as well as gastrin hormones generated the contraction between the esophagus and stomach for digestion. Now if we talk about the secretin hormones, let's see. When food material, that is also known as chyme, enter into the intestine, endocrine cell of duodenum and jejunum secrete secretin hormones by the affected of hydrochloric acid of chyme. So what is the main function of secretin? Secretin hormones stimulate the pancreas gland and liver for the secretion of sodium bicarbonate. Also other function, secretin hormones stimulate the stomach for secretin of pepsin, but it is prevent the secretion rate of hydrochloric acid. As well as secretin hormones prevent the peristalsis movement inside the alimentary canal. Now if we talk about the cholecystokinin hormones, that is also known as CCK hormones. When food material, that is also known as chyme, enter into the intestine from the stomach, the endocrine cell of intestine secretin of CCK hormones by the affected of proteins and lipids of chyme. CCK, and that is cholecystokinin hormones, stimulate the pancreas gland for secretion of gastrin juices. Also other function, CCK stimulate the contraction inside the gallbladder for secretion of bile. We know that bile is play important role for digestion. The other function of CCK hormones stimulate the growth of pancreas glands and affected the all mechanism of pancreas glands. As well as CCK hormones reduce the rate of chyme at which moves from the stomach to the intestine. Today we understood what is a gastrointestinal mucosa and gastrointestinal mucosa hormones, function of gastrin hormones, function of secretin hormones, and function of CCK, that is mean cholecystokinin hormones. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and doesn't forget the press of subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video.